welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Guys, I know I have been MIA. I have been missing in action. I want to thank you guys so much for being patient with me, and I just needed a little break. It was my birthday. I told you guys I celebrate my birthday all month, and that is what I have been doing. I have been celebrating my birthday. I went to Florida with my children and just had a great time with my grandbabies. When I got back, my boyfriend and I went to Chicago and had an awesome time there. And yeah, so I've just been recharging myself. So thank you so much for being, patient with me. And thank you so much for the love that you gave on my last video, my budget luxury house to home video. Thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate it. I love to decorate my home in the most affordable way possible, and I love sharing that inspiration with you guys. So in today's video, it's going to be sort of like a vlog video. I'm going to show you a little bit of our trip from Chicago. You guys know that I love restoration hardware and it's now called RH. I love looking at their catalogs for inspiration, but I tell you, there's nothing like being in the actual store and seeing things in person. I absolutely had a great time. My boyfriend loved walking around, looking at all of their furniture and decor as well. I got tons of decorating ideas. You guys, we are going to be doing some DIYs. I'm so excited. There are a ton of things that I saw at RH Chicago that I want to recreate on a budget. So if you love decorating your home, and you want to do it in the most affordable way possible, but still give your home a high-end look for less, then this is the channel for you. Make sure you subscribe. Now, let's get on with our trip. Full field of windmills. Of course, we gotta go to the home decor section to see what, shorts? Shorts. Let's see. Not seeing anything yet too interesting. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm reading a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss the face. Later talk, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Not a lot here. I'm very disappointed. I thought there would be a lot more in a larger city, but there isn't. Interesting. Well, we made it to the bean, but it's fenced off. We can't get to it. Darn it. Huh? What do you say about that, baby?
I don't say anything. I just want to come in so bad.
And it's fenced off. I'm so bummed. This is as close as we're going to get. Richard and I are having a great time here in Chicago. The Windy City. Yep. Hi, Richard.
What's up?
It's nice.
Check out this little bathroom setup.
What's up?
Those apartments start at $1,600 a month.
Oh my. baby and teen. Look at the little tiny chairs. What are you saying about love? Look at that chandelier. Yep. And the twins.
I've been working overtime like crazy, just to show you how I really feel.
Hey, babe.
Haven't had a single day off duty, just to show you that my love is real. Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me? Oh, I hope that someday you will notice every little thing I do for you. Like the time I went to buy you flowers, 'cause you said your favorite one is blue.
Lovely chandeliers.
Do you even care when I stay? Oh baby, can you even tell I'm under your spell? Oh baby, I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me?
You look out over the courtyard and the people having lunch. Very nice.
I just wanna take another look at you, so our eyes can finally meet. I just wanna take another look at you. Maybe that's when you will see that I'm falling home.
I wanted to get these lamps. Babe, I want these lamps.
Men om du låter mig förklara, har vi i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Du vill ha mig som tar hand om dig, men du låter inte mig. Våra spöken, ingen enkel grej, men jag har i alla fall försökt ge dig en chans. Stora känslor väller ur mig när du säger att du vill testa. Stora känslor gånger i mig när
is our room as you walk in. Nothing spectacular. This is supposed to be a 4-star hotel, but it does not feel 4-star to me. And this is the view outside. We're on the 5th floor. Wish we were a little bit higher up. You can see buildings, but that's where we are.
Ge mig en chans. Jag var som bäst för att hitta balansen, baby. Bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt om min farline. Baby, en chans. Jag var som bäst för att hitta i land. Oh baby, bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska ge dig mitt allt om min farline.
Good. You're going to take your legs forward again. Let them straighten out to begin. And we'll take the left foot into our